Can't get it to stay because of my beard and goatee. Maybe you and I have a different type of facial hair, I don't really know. But this mouth tape has been able to stick on me regardless of my beard and mustache. And I know some people put it on a different way. I know some people put it vertically. I don't do that. I do mine horizontally. But just to recap of how this mouth tape has helped me, it's reduced my snoring, it's reduced my dry mouth, and I've gotten so much deeper sleep. And because of the holiday season, this is on a crazy sale right now. So click the orange link below, see how many people this has helped, and see if it can help you. Get your mouth tape today, baby. Shoo.